Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is the final part of our Sweetcat advertisement creation. Thank you guys for joining us from the first part where we talked about storyboarding of your ideas, the second part where we talked about your creating your logos, the third part where we talked about designing the logos, the fourth, the fifth part where we entered the animation, the sixth part where I showed you guys how to get your sound design and how to get it right. And now this is the final part. I'm going to combine the sound design with my animation. If this video series has helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Join my motion design community for more amazing tutorials like this. I go live with them every Sunday and I answer their questions and I interact with a lot of them, and it's a very interesting place to be. So without talking too much, let's jump right into the video. Oh, subscribe to the channel also.
Looking for your next gadget? Just click Shop Now and explore a world of tech wonders at your fingertips. Found what you love? Tap Buy Now, choose how many you want, and check out in seconds. It's fast, it's easy, it's smart. Swift Cart. Shop smart, live swift.
So after our last tutorial, we're supposed to have this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select everything from beginning to end here. I'm going to left click, compose, do with new composition, and click on OK. Now, I told you guys about this plugin I'm going to use, and go to Window. We're going to open our animation composer here. Now we're going to open our starter sounds, and we are going to need a click. So it's going to be our mouse click. So we have this. It's a mechanical keyboard, and we have this mouse click. So this is what we're going to use. So we're just going to add it into our composition. And now with this your pitch here, let's trim this to work area. And this your pitch here, you're going to you can change the duration, or you can also change the kind of click is going to be, the pitch of the click is going to be. So if you drag it down, it's going to be a lot more deeper, and if you pitch it up, it's going to be a lot more sharper. Understand? So I think -5 is going to be okay. So I'm just going to go around. So I'm just going to move and position our clicks. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my left bracket. So if I come to any place and I put my left bracket, it's just going to make sure it starts from that particular position. So let's go back. We have a click here, left bracket. Okay, so we have another click here, and duplicate and left bracket again. So we have to time it up properly. Then this one coming up again. This one coming up again. So now I'm doing my mouse clicking, I'm just going to work on my mouse movements. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come to my slides down here, and I'm going to do sub slide 2. Let's just move it down. So at any point in time my mouse starts moving, I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to pitch it down to like -2. So that's what we have. So that's when our mouse starts moving here again. Now for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a hard slide for the transition from here to here. So let's say something like here. Go back to our browse. We're going to use hard slide. Then we're just going to pitch it down to like -8. So now we can go back to using our soft slide. And now if you have done that correctly, you're supposed to have something like this. Okay, so now for this one, I don't mind the time here. I want another swoosh. So let's use this swoosh and let's pitch it down to like -8. Then towards the end, I want to add a pop. Yeah, this is good. And we're going to reduce it to like 4. Okay, so somewhere around there. So I'm going to add another swoosh here. So now it's going to start from somewhere around here. And I can just bring this up to like 6. Okay, I can still drop it down a little bit. Let's take it to 4. Or let's leave that articulating. For this one that starts like this now, so at the beginning here, I can just duplicate this swoosh. I'm going to reverse it and I'm going to change this to -8. So make sure it's reversed. I can just move it down here. So from the point it starts trying to come back, that is somewhere around here, I can duplicate this, bring it to the front, change this to -7. Now I can duplicate this again with the top, and I'm just going to start that when this blue starts animating. So as is starting from here, put them back. Okay, so I'm going to take this one, I'm going to duplicate it, move it to the top again, and let's start from when this comes from the back. Okay, so I'm just going to move this one down here. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in this my audio layer here. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in my audio, my AI voice here. So now I'm just going to cut it so that it actually fits what is happening on the screen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to wait for the click to happen. So let's see, somewhere around here.
Looking for your next gadget? Just click Shop Now and explore a world of tech wonders at your fingertips. Found what you love? Tap Buy Now, choose how many you want, and check out in seconds. It's fast, it's easy, it's smart. Swift Cart.
Okay, so it's not lining up my audio, so I can just do a little bit of audio editing.
Buy now, choose how many you want, and check out in seconds.
So I'm going to cut it here, Ctrl+Shift+D. Then I'm going to wait until after this animation right here, and move this back here.
For your next gadget, just click Shop Now and explore a world of tech wonders at your fingertips. Found what you love? Tap Buy Now, choose how many you want, and check out in seconds. It's fast, it's easy, it's smart. Swift Cart. Shop smart, live swift. Looking
Okay, now for this tagline.
Swift Cart.
Okay, for the tagline I can just cut this. I'm just going to move it down a little bit until this starts animating. So like this, I can now move this to the front here.
Shop smart, live swift.
Okay, that is amazing. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just focus on my attention on the loudness of this my layers down here. So I can just select all of them like this, open them up, open up audio, and for the decibels now, I can just use 18. On this my advertisement logo here also, I can just open it up and reduce the audio up also. So let's just reduce it to like -7.
Next gadget, just click shop now.
It's still too high for me. Okay, I think what we should do is for our mouse clicks here, we should just leave our mouse clicks at 0 so you can actually hear the mouse clicks. So I think for our swooshes, for the swoosh now, you can just open it up, but audio, change this to -20. This is hard 1, 2, can open it up. I still change this 1, 2 to -20. This hard what is it called, hard slide. Yeah.
Thank you for watching that video. What do you think? Let me know in my comment section. And now that I have learned how to make this amazing animation, you can check out this one right here, and you can also check out this one right here, and I'll catch you in that video. So from now to the next time, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and tremendously. Love you guys.